So good morning students. We are continuing with our next lecture of motion in a straight line. We will be deriving the kinematic equations of motion, which we have already derived in ninth class. So equations will be V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, and there is fourth equation also which I will tell you later. Okay, so we will be getting the concept of this. Suppose I will be drawing a velocity time graph. So velocity is in meter per second and time is in second. Okay, suppose at time 0 my velocity is u and it has reached up to v velocity at time t. Okay, like this. Mark this point as A, mark this point as B, and mark this point as C. So you will have to write down the particulars. Consider an object which is having an initial velocity of u. After time t, it has attained a velocity of v. You have to write all these wordings. Object is moving with initial velocity of u. After time t, it has attained a velocity of v. So you know slope of vt graph, what it gives? Velocity upon time. It gives acceleration. So what is slope? Same change in means change in vertical quantity. Upon change in horizontal quantity. Is equals to acceleration. So what is the vertical quantity? So how vertical quantity has changed? Earlier it was u, now it is v. It has changed up to v minus u. How the horizontal quantity has changed? Earlier it was 0, now it is t. It is changed t minus 0. So the vertical quantity is changed up to v minus u, and the horizontal quantity is changed up to t minus 0 is equal to acceleration. So make this concept. V minus u upon t is equal to acceleration. T will multiply with acceleration. V minus u is equals to at. So v is equals to u plus at. So this is the first equation of motion. So if our car was moving with u initial velocity and it is having acceleration of a, after time t its velocity will be v. So velocity after time t. So this we have calculated the velocity after time t of an object which is moving with acceleration a, like this. So I'm giving you a question related to this. Look at the concept. A car start from rest. Rest means u is equal to 0. Acquire a velocity equals to 36 km per hour. You have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Multiply by 5 by 18. This is the velocity v. Initial is 0. From u to 0 it has taken 10 seconds. You have given a time. Now calculate the acceleration. It's very much simple. Acceleration you have to calculate. And acceleration is v minus u upon t. Apply this formula and you would be able to calculate the acceleration. So second equation of motion is prove s is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay. So the concept is like this. Suppose I'm having the same velocity time graph. Same velocity time graph. Okay. And I'm having the same value u. This is v. And here it is x. I'm marking this point as A, I'm marking this point as B, I'm marking this point as C, and I'm marking this point as D, and I'm marking this point as O.